Hello and welcome to my channel. In this short video I want to share with you my mini flower collection. I painted these two paintings in 2022 when I was a member with the Confident Brush, which is run by floral artist Natalie Parker. Each month she releases different themed tutorials with a challenge. This one was to paint florals that matched with a mini theme. For my first painting called Purple and Yellow Tulips, I chose tulips which are fun to paint and the color combination of purple and yellow which I love. The back of both paintings has a wire hanging which I attached myself. For the second painting, titled Summer Flowers, I chose a yellow background and painted blue summer flowers. I like to work with texture, which you can see and feel in this painting. You can find both paintings on my website. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.